Did you know we buy more than 2 times the amount of clothes we used to? If clothes are cheaper, consumers can buy more for less, but more doesn't always mean better. If you look at the average American's closet, 82% of our clothes haven't been worn in the last 12 months. In 1960, the average American would buy 25 items of clothing a year. Today, the average American buys 67 items a year. Also, in the 1960s, we didn't mind paying for quality. The average cost of items of clothing was around $150. Today, the average cost of a garment is $27.77. We don't value the cheap clothes we buy. Compared to 15 years ago, we buy 60% more clothes and use them 36% less and keep them only half as long. We are buying more than we need. At American Giant, we believe less is better than more. Clothes should be used more, so you need less. Your clothes should work harder and should be wearable for years.